Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate fudge popsicles. So let's get started. First, in a medium saucepan, add the milk, chopped dark chocolate, sugar, and cocoa powder. And place the saucepan over a medium-low heat and heat the mixture until the chocolate is melted and the mixture is smooth, stirring it occasionally. And try not to heat it too hot or the mixture will become grainy. And once it's ready, remove it from the heat and add in the vanilla extract and whisk it in until it's combined. Then set the mixture aside and let it cool completely. Then pour the mixture into a popsicle mold. And place the lid on top. And add a popsicle stick into each one. And freeze them for at least 4 hours until they're frozen. To make them without a popsicle mold, you can just use a small plastic or paper cup and just pour the mixture into it. And place it into the freezer for about 1 to 2 hours until it's frozen around the edges but not all the way through. Your timing may vary depending on the size cup you use. Then take it out of the freezer and add the popsicle stick into the center. And if it's not staying up, just put it back in the freezer for a little bit longer. And then return it to the freezer until it's completely frozen. Another way to do it is to pour the mixture into the cup and add plastic wrap to the top. Then push a popsicle stick through it, and the plastic wrap will keep the popsicle stick upright. And just freeze it until it's solid. And once they're frozen, remove them from the freezer and take off the lid. And to get them out of the mold, place them into a bowl filled with hot water. Since I'm using a silicone mold, I don't need to keep it in for very long. And then remove them from the mold. If they're not coming out easily, just put them back into the hot water for a little bit longer. And just do the same process if you're making the popsicles without a mold. And that's how to make chocolate fudge popsicles. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.